In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Chat GPT in Russian. Now, whether you want the text here to appear in Russian or whether you want Chat GPT to give its output in the Russian language, I'm going to show you how to do that because it's totally possible. Now, with that said, as you can see on the left hand side here, there's actually no official way to change the language of Chat GPT because there is no settings option. However, there is a way around that. Now, I am using Google Chrome on Windows PC. So if you're using a different operating system, device or browser, then the process might be slightly different for you. For that reason, I do recommend that you do use Google Chrome because I'm not sure whether any of the other browsers actually have this feature. So once on ChatGPT, right click anywhere on the screen, then click on Translate to. Now, as you can see, mine already says translate to Russian, and as soon as I click this button, it will automatically translate the page in Russian. Now, you're only going to have one language up here unless you've played this option before. So to add another language, in this case Russian, right click on the three dots, then choose another language. From this menu here, find Russian among the many languages available, then click on Translate, and the page will automatically get translated. Now, when it comes to getting output from ChatGPT in the Russian language, you don't actually need to do anything. So to test this out, I have copied and pasted a phrase that says, "How are you?" in the Russian language, and I'm going to paste it to see what ChatGPT comes back with. Now, it might take a little bit of time. You might also get an error from time to time. To fix that, simply refresh the page, which I'm going to do right now. As you can see, it's taking a bit longer. Once you refresh the page, simply try again, and ChatGPT will start writing to you in Russian. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please do go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will be more than happy to help.